think I broke. In my room cracking seals, tryna bust this bitch out. She want me to fall in love, but I don't really think she know. And the nigga said he gangsta, he gon' really have to show. If I hit this shit again, they gon' fuck around and OD. Only cookie in my blunt, don't you pass me no OG. And that ain't no fucking runs, that's some bullshit you smoke. You can smell a purple punch in the air, this shit poking.
Gang, it's your boy Push Nigga, back with another video. Yes, it's been a while, I know that, but listen, my car is acting real funny right now. My car has not been able to start for the last week. You know what I mean? I don't know what to tell you guys, except I've been getting to work. Well, first of all, I'm coming out to work. I'm in the house, 6 o'clock in the morning, car won't start. Gotta go get the truck, come jump my car, get to work 12 hours, come back to the yard, car won't start. So it's been like that for a week, jumping my car for twice for a whole goddamn week. So finally I went over to AutoZone. I was praying it was not the alternator. Luckily, I went and had to test it today, like 30 minutes ago, and he tested the alternator and battery, and it was the battery. So your boy had to just drop $200 on a brand new battery, but I'm thankful it's not the alternator because I didn't want to go through that, and I wasn't going to take it to the dealership. So I would have to do it myself, but I don't have the time. Battery, easy peasy, I can do that real quick, which is what we're about to get into. So this is what that video is. Make sure you pause this, and if you're not subscribe to the channel like right now, like ASAP, you feel me? Then go back and check out all my other videos, you feel me, of how to, what to's, do-dos, and you know, all the other shit. Got good shit on there for the Chrysler. Got some wide body shit on there, got some Charger shit on there. Go check out the channel, you feel me? And then hit the subscribe, then share the videos, and so we can get this motherfucker running up. You feel me? Yeah, because we got shit coming. Alright, so I'm about to change the battery. If you guys don't know how, I'm gonna show you how to change the battery on the Chrysler 300. It's not that hard, but I do have other shit hooked up, so we're gonna get it done. Let me go downstairs and then we're gonna get to it. Yeah. Alright, so I took the positive terminal off already. And if you don't know, it's a 10 millimeter. As you can see. $10 millimeter, man. And you see I got the, see all the extra wires I got coming to the fuse box. Those are to my dash camera, so it doesn't have to plug in. It's hardwired, you know what I mean? No more plugging the cigarette lighter. But the terminals are 10 millimeter, just so you know. As you can see, these big ass motherfuckers shit hooked up. And then you got the strap right here. We gotta undo the strap. Pretty straightforward though. But I just wanted to show you guys and let you guys know what size that bolt is. So I'm gonna take this off, and then when I take the battery, I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, so I got the terminal off, but now I just realized, you see this goddamn plate that's holding the goddamn battery down. It's also a 10 millimeter, so I have to take this plate off because it's holding the bottom of the battery down. So when if you have an accident or some shit, the battery don't go slinging nowhere. So I gotta take this plate off, and then hopefully that's it. Hopefully I don't have to have, fuck with this shit right here, this plate. Hopefully it's just that one. It's not one back there. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that, man. Try to pull that motherfucker out. That motherfucker wasn't budging, bruh. Let me take this plate off and let me see where we'll be at, man. I'll get back to you guys in a second. Ooh, I got 7% battery. All right, so as soon as I took this plate out, the battery came out. Just had to unplug this from the side of the battery, and everything else is good. This just holds the battery in. You ain't gotta take that out. And then obviously the fucking strap right there. Yeah. All right. So, new battery. Got that Duralast. What's going on? All right. So you can see Duralast, the new one, gold joint. This one's the old shit. There's nothing in this motherfucker. So, brand new joint. We're gonna drop this joint in. So I can't do two things at one time, not this, but let me get back to you guys as soon as I prop this thing up in there, man. Alright guys, I had to go from the GoPro to the big boy camera. Can you guys tell the difference? Alright, so I got the new battery in. I put the plate back in. Now we're just gonna let me see if I can show you guys this. So the strap, you just put on this little thing right there. Pull it. Now you're secure again, you heard? Alright, so now all I gotta do is hook the terminals back up and we will have a running fucking car. No more scared to go to the gas station to turn the car off and having not starting at somebody to jump me. That shit's a big embarrassing. So, look at my car dirty as fuck, man. Clean this whole goddamn shit out. Alright, on a side note, my goddamn Beats by Dre fucking shit. You see they missing both of the goddamn earbuds. They had to go upstairs and get the brand new ones out the pack. So I'm about to replace these real quick. Nothing to do with the video, but I'll get back to you guys after I hook the terminal up and we'll see. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna insert a clip right here where you guys can see this motherfucking whole screen turn green. And then when I put it in reverse, the camera turned all black. I couldn't see shit. I guess that's how bad I don't know. I don't know what the hell that green screen was, but it's crazy. So go ahead and take a look at that right now. All right, wasn't that crazy? You guys ever had anything like that happen to you where your green screen pop up, blue screen, or black screen when you backing up? No fucking nothing. You know what I'm feeling? You know what I'm saying? So that's what I experienced, and I'm assuming it's because of the battery. I'm not sure, but yeah, let's go check out the battery now. All right, as you can see, everything put back on. Boom, good to go. Plate good to go. Goddamn strap good to go. You know what I'm saying? Let's see if the car starts right up. Oh shit, let's see. Oh yeah. Thank you. And we have a screen again. Yes, sir. Oh, we back in business, baby. Yes, sir. Full tank of gas. Battery works. Full tank of gas. Battery works. Pretty simple. It's like 10 minutes. You know what I mean? Ain't nothing big. Hopefully this helps you out if you've never changed a battery on a Chrysler 300, didn't know how to take it out, hook it back up, or whatever. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this back to AutoZone, and I'm going to get my $18 core charge back to my credit card, give me 18 bucks back. I need that, you feel me? That battery was $200, you feel me? So, yeah, pretty simple, man. I hope you guys enjoyed that, man. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a like on that motherfucker bag. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Go ahead and leave a comment. Let me know if you guys ever experienced any screen besides the normal screen you're supposed to have, blue, green, purple, black, or whatever. It's probably the battery, but you can go get it tested. I didn't want to just pay $200 for a battery and it'll end up being an alternator. Luckily, he was like, oh, it's battery, straight up. So the next thing I'm gonna tackle is, for some, you see I'm sweating like a motherfucker pig up at this motherfucker, man. My AC, I think like a year ago, I took it in because it wasn't getting cold enough, and they said it was the actuator under the dashboard. I don't know how true that is, because right now the driver's side gets cold out the AC vents, and the passenger is warm. You feel me? So I'm gonna go ahead. The next video is gonna be me adding some Freon to my car to see if it's gonna make my car back icy cold and fix the warm hot. You know what I mean? I mean the cold on the driver, warm on the passenger side. So that's my next thing I'm gonna tackle, because we had record heat out here, 110 temperatures. And you know what I mean? I was door dashing, motherfucker. Her wife didn't want to go with me because my car would not get cold enough, and it was like a hot box in this motherfucker. You feel me? So I'm gonna go buy some Freon, and we're gonna put this in the put it in the car. We're gonna see if that fixes the problem. You feel me? And help somebody else out again. Check this out. This is I just bought some of this Fresh Fix. It's a scent. It's a air freshener kind of. I mean, it's not air freshener, but it's kind of like air freshener, but it's air to clean your fucking vents out. You feel me? while at the same time freshening your vents, because you know these motherfuckers is hard to get up in. Look at all that dust. So this is gonna you see, it cleans and refreshes at the same time. You feel me? So I bought some of that while I was up there getting the battery. I said, hell yeah, I need some of that, man. Because when you clean inside your car, the vents is the worst thing to me. Everything else can be clean. Is like getting your finger down in the vent with the towel and then trying not to break one of your vents at the same time. So hopefully this fixes that problem. But like I said, make sure if you like the video, man, leave a thumbs up. You feel me? Like the video, share the video. You feel me? And let me know what you guys ever had this problem. But it's hot as a motherfucker. I'm tired of sweating this bitch. That's gonna be it for today's video, man. Look out for that new video, how to add Freon to your Chrysler 300. It's coming soon, you feel me? Because I don't want to be sweating like this, boy. This shit look crazy. Looking like you enslaved, this motherfucker, man. You feel me? That's your boy Food. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Yeah, gone.